Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Keisha. If you are new here, welcome. If you are returning, thank you for returning. It is officially Monday the 30th, which means that to me, the holidays are over. Now, I know that we still have New Year's tomorrow, but yeah, holidays are over. Actually, yesterday I took down all of our Christmas stuff. My daughter was like, I want Christmas to stay. And I'm like, I get it, girl, but also no. I watched somebody on TikTok and it made so much sense where it said, if I put my Christmas stuff up like early November, which I do, it's holiday and seasonal and you know, it makes me feel so good and I love the holiday. But after Christmas, it's just noise, it's clutter, it's extra stuff. Especially considering that all of the bomb that goes off after Christmas with all that it entails with opening gifts and stuff like that. So yeah, today I am tackling my bedroom. As a mom, do you feel that your room is a catch-all? Because that's how I feel. My room is a catch-all. And I have already stripped my bedding. I actually, once a year, now I do clean my bedding other times in the year, but once a year I take my bedding, my mattress cover, because I have a purple mattress and so I can take the mattress cover off, to a laundromat, and I use like their huge machines that hold like 14 loads of laundry, and I wash all of my bedding. Like, I do it throughout the year, like I said, but I feel like my washing machine is just, it's only so big. So yeah, I did that the other day, and now it's time to put it all together. And I have, like I said, my room is a catch-all. So like we had a family party on the 22nd to do Christmas cookies. Well, my room ends up being like, whatever doesn't belong on the counter, whatever doesn't belong in here, let's just put it in our room and we'll put it away later. And it's unfortunate, but that's the real life that I live. And so hang out with me today as I clean my bedroom. I am going to put my headphones in and I am going to watch or listen to Law and Order SVU. I am officially on the last season that they have, or the current season, I guess, that they're on. It's just crazy because I started this like a long time ago. But I have just like, it's my binge worthy show. I just love it. And I thought I had so much more, but I don't. I'm on the current season. So yeah, we are still on break. My son did go to school today because he missed his friends. Daycare is open, but Layla is not at school today and I'm not at school today. So cleaning it is. It's like spring cleaning, but obviously not spring yet. We actually did get a little bit of snow today. This is like the most of our snow that we've gotten this season. We don't have a lot of snowpack. We've gotten a lot of rain, which is surprising. So for those of you that don't know, I live in Utah, and Utah is supposed to be considered the greatest snow on earth, and we have had a very warm winter, even in the mountains. So if you're planning on coming to Utah, just be forewarned. These are our Christmas lights. We put them on before winter hit, and my husband just has to do a little bit of adjusting. So we need like an extension cord or something for him to like snake it down, like a white extension cord or something. Anyway, let's clean. I don't know about you, but I love when my bed smells amazing. So I often find different scent or room sprays that I can spray on my bed or my bedding. And that's what I'm doing right now. I found this Calming Wave spray. I believe it's by Sensationals from TJ Maxx, and it was only like $4.99, and I put it in one of my glass containers and was able to easily use it on my bed, and it smells amazing. It smells more summery than it feels outside, but still. Right here, I am just putting a towel underneath my fan. I am going to clean and dust my fan. I don't do this often enough, but it's also not as noticeable because we keep our fan on all the time. Also, if you have never used Miss Meyer's cleaner, I highly recommend it. This is their elderberry scent, which I found in the fall time, and I'm really sad that I didn't buy more. I did buy 2 of them, but it is super yummy, and it kind of smells like a mix of raspberry and maybe like a blackberry. It is still available online. I just need to go buy more. My bed has so many blankets on it, only because both my husband and I sleep with separate comforters, and then I have a cover comforter, and both my husband and I are very cold sleepers, so we also have our own blankets that go on top of our comforters or our downs that I fold and keep in the corner. We just have so many blankets in our room. I have heard of people that have a lot of pillows on their bed. We are people that have a lot of blankets. Time to get our many pillows fluffed and put on the bed. My husband and I both have 3 pillows that we sleep with. When I say that we're not pillow people compared to how we are blanket people, I might be wrong. Now it's just a matter of cleaning and decluttering what is my catch-all in my room. I would say that my dresser ends up being just put it there and hope that it survives. So that's really the biggest tackle that I have going on today. I clear everything off, I dust it, and I clean half of it, as you can see here, and dust half of it. Then I take the rest off, dust the rest off. And what I do is I use this Miss Meyer's cleaner. I use a wet washcloth to clean off all the dust, but then I go back over it with a paper towel so that I don't damage I think it's fake wood, but the wood from the water. So that's how I've cleaned this dresser, and it's actually lasted a really long time. I want to say that we've had this for 10 years, and it has moved with us many times and lasted through a big part of our marriage. So I highly recommend that if you're worried about putting any type of cleaner or liquid on your dresser, just make sure you go back over it and dry it. Then that way it won't get water damage. Also, as you can see here, I am cleaning my wall. That's what I do, is I dust my wall and completely wipe off my walls. And then I get a visit from my husband, which is awesome. I just want to document this. I just cleaned out the under part of my bed. That is a diaper. Clean. Well, dusty, but clean. My son has not been in diapers for a year and a half. No judgment. This is a judgment-free zone. Now it's time to wash my windows, and in the same Swoop, I also wash down the mirror that you see on the left-hand side. It's not attached to the wall. I got it for our get ready moment for my sister's wedding, and I haven't been able to hang it up, but I like putting it there because it actually, from here you can't tell, but it actually is in a good place where I can look at what I'm wearing and just kind of check. I also did my makeup and my hair in it the other day, which was kind of cool. It made me feel like I was back in high school. But anyway, just cleaning our mirror or our windows right here, some of our windowsill. I do also dust the little lip, the seal that is made from the molding. So, and then right here, I am doing the same thing that I did with the wall underneath the TV, and I am completely dusting all of the doors. And you will see I not only dust these 4 doors into my closet, but I also dust the door that enters into my bedroom. And even though you don't see it, I do eventually open the door and do the same thing on the outside. But I just clean down all of the lips and all the edges because, you know, just over time, especially with the fan in our room, we get a lot of dust in here, and it's very easy to forget because you don't see all of that dust. It's not like it's black. So that's something that I need to prioritize. Oh, and there's a little blip of Layla. She used my brush because she couldn't find hers. And then I went in the kitchen and found it 10 seconds later. But nonetheless, that's the job of moms, right? Kids can't find things, moms do. I don't know if anybody else feels this way, but when you stuff tubs thinking, oh, it will help, I just shoved everything in there, and now I have to put it all away, and I'm not happy about it. Ugh, it's okay. I got this. Now to do the dreaded vacuuming. And although I do not like vacuuming, I do love seeing the vacuum lines. And so I am very particular about how I vacuum, and I go very slow. I also don't use my Dyson. This is a vacuum that we got last year that is, I believe, the Shark brand. And we really like it. It's meant for pets and hair and those kinds of things. And it's just really one of our heavy duty kind of situations. So I don't typically vacuum carpets with my Dyson. Plus my battery lasts for 10 seconds before it dies. I don't know if anybody has had that experience with their Dyson, but So yeah, that's what I use. This is just a Shark vacuum that I think we purchased from either Walmart or Target. Very easy to find, very easy to clean, which is nice. And I can't finish a room or a clean with me without starting a delicious candle. This is Fraser Fir by Woodwick, and I love the sound of it. Here is the finished product. I hope you enjoyed. All right, friends, well, that is the whole thing, me cleaning my room and getting it all ready for the new year. It's nice to have it all fresh, all dusted. I completely washed all the walls. I cleaned, you know, this ceiling fan. I got rid of a lot of dust and vacuumed the whole floor, made my bed, which my husband and I don't do very often. I know that's not the best thing. I know a lot of people swear by a made bed, but I am more of a person that likes to get into a bed that is already like pre-fluffed kind of thing. Like the fold down service. I need a fold down service. That's what I need. You know, maybe in another life. Nonetheless, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and I hope you guys have a fantastic week. Bye, guys.